Riverview Bend Apartments is a 94-unit multifamily affordable housing site in Crystal City, Missouri. We did a large-scale renovation here that included full renovation of all the units, new flooring, painting, lighting, new kitchen appliances, all new kitchen cabinets, countertops. The bathrooms were renovated.
I love the hardwood floors. That is just awesome. The bathroom is really nice and spacious. Everything about this apartment I love. I have no complaints whatsoever. Very nice laundry room. The office is great.
I've been living here 26 years. They did good work on it, I think. When I came back to my apartment, I really loved it.
At the same time, we were renovating another property of ours in St. Charles, Missouri. That's Fox Hill Apartments. We did a large-scale rehab here where we've touched almost every aspect of this property. I'm proud to say that we've hired several local contractors or subcontractors from this area. The local electrical group or electricians that we used here on site, both at Fox Hills and Riverview Bend, were a huge part of the renovation project here.
Related is a great company. We've had a chance to work with them now for about 2 years when we helped with local financing to do a renovation and purchase of the Fox Hill Apartments. We need not only luxury, but accessible housing. And so this is a good example of something that has stood the test of time. It's been a great addition to the community. We're pleased that it's here. We're pleased that it's been refreshed, and we're ready to do it again when needed in a couple of decades.